So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add 3D rotation to images here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, go to the top left, press on Insert, and then select Pictures right here to add a photo or an image into your document. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and select a photo of an airplane and then select this airplane right here that is in the sky, then press on Insert. Now, once your photo is selected, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to where it says Picture Effects, press on the drop down here. Then at the bottom, it says 3D rotation. However, over top of that, then what you can actually do is do a parallel rotation, a perspective rotation, or an oblique rotation. So, for example, if you wanted to have the image sort of like this, you can do that. You can press the image right here, and you can maybe change that to more of this sort of perspective. Whatever the case may be, you can sort of play around with it and actually 3D rotate it in whatever which way you select. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to add 3D rotations to images here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.